Growing basil in pots. To grow basil in pots, you will need the following: basil seeds or seedlings, potting mix, pots with drainage holes, water. Instructions: fill the pots with potting mix. Water the potting mix until it is moist but not soggy. If you are using basil seeds, sow them on top of the potting mix and cover them with a thin layer of potting mix. If you are using basil seedlings, plant them in the pots and water them well. Place the pots in a warm, sunny location. Basil plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Water the basil plants regularly, but be careful not to overwater them. Basil plants do not like to sit in soggy soil. Fertilize the basil plants every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. The basil plants should be ready to harvest in about 6 to 8 weeks. Germinating peppers at home.